Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Cross and I'm Global Makeup Artist with Mineral Air, and today we are very excited to share with you our newest launch, which is our Setting Mattifier. It creates an instant matte finish while leaving the skin looking smooth and healthy. Now I know that some of you have been experiencing irritation around the mouth area when wearing a face mask. And this is why the Setting Mattifier might be perfect for you. It works great on top of a full face of makeup, but it also works perfectly on top of bare skin. It infuses the skin with ingredients like Luminaria japonica extract and Japanese wild rose, which balances the skin, leaving it looking smooth and healthy. It creates an instant matte finish by using ingredients like kaolin clay and silica, which visibly helps to reduce the size of pores and helps eliminate excess oil that's on the surface of the skin. When using the mattifier, ensure that you're using a clean reservoir head or a brand new one. Lift up the rubber flap and enter about 7 to 10 drops of the mattifier for a full face application. When using the mattifier, I'm going to apply it about 4 to 5 inches from my face and ensure that I keep it moving. And we're just going to wait about 30 to 60 seconds for this to fully dry down. Now while the mattifier is setting, it is infusing the skin with soybean extract, an antioxidant-rich concentrate that lifts and firms the skin, and sodium hyaluronate, a derivative of hyaluronic acid, which hydrates and plumps. And that is simply how you take your look from radiant to matte, just like that.